Hi, this is Zen, the Crypto Queen. You can follow me on Twitter at XRP Crypto Queen. This is not financial advice. I hold bags of XRP. It's one of my coins of choice. I like ISO 222 coins. XRP, XLM, XDC happen to be amongst those. And I had a request to move crypto from Bitrue to Ledger Live. Now my Ledger, I just realized, is in another room. I thought I had it nearby, so I'm going to move it to a hot wallet, Exodus. Okay. Sorry for saying I just wanted to make sure I cover all this stuff. This is not financial advice. I'm just sharing with you what I do in the crypto world. Also, if you find this content valuable to you in any way, please hit subscribe and the notification bell so you see all my videos as I make them. And let's launch right into how to move your altcoins. In this case, it's going to be XRP from Bitrue over to Exodus, okay? So once you log in, I went to Assets, My Assets. This is the overview. Not quite sure why it looks like this, to be honest, because I hit spot after that because I thought that. So I'm happy this person requested it because I forgot I even had XRP on Bitrue. But you go to spot and My Assets, and there you can see I have what, a 0.5 of ADA. Interesting. Okay. But here's my XRP. Didn't know I had 216 XRP there, so I'm gonna withdraw them. What you would do is click on legacy address, and I move it with no tag. This isn't a whole lot of money, so I'm not going to worry too much about it. But you can always test it by doing, you have to do at least 20 XRP to test it, okay? Don't try and move 5, okay? All right, and there is my address copied. And I'm going to go back to here. I'm going to put the address in here. No tag, as I mentioned. I have to get the PIN code. That is in another notebook. So I'm going to enter my PIN code, and then I am going to hit withdraw XRP. It will immediately go back to here in Exodus. Doesn't take very long to move. And I will see that move from 1678 plus 216 from Bitrue, and that will show up very quickly, okay? And then it'll show up here in my portfolio. So that's a very quick how-to, and I'm going to do that when I find my PIN code, and just pop my PIN code right in here, click that withdraw XRP, and boom, it's gone, okay? Thank you so much for your time. Hope this one was helpful for you. I'll be back with another video shortly. Thanks so much for being here with me. Ciao.